So Snapchat Snapstreak restore. So recover a recently lost Snapstreak. So in Snapchat Plus menu, you can see it. Like you can see your recently expired Snapstreaks that have ended in the past 48 hours can be restored through in-app purchase. You will see eligible Snapstreak for that. Snap each once a day and your snap streak will grow. Fire appears after 3 days of sending snap back and forth with a friend. If you see the timer emoji, your snap streak is about to expire. And how do you restore your snap streak? You can just go and find it in the menu. If you're having trouble, if you can't restore it, then there is too much time has passed since the Snapstreak expired, is no longer eligible for restoration. So that's what it is. If you can also request a refund for Snapstreak restore purchase.